Hey guys, I don't know if you remember the 1954 cab over truck that we built on Vegas Rat Rods in about 2013. This truck's already about 9 years old. We found it, it's back in the shop. It's a little bit rough. It's been sitting around, it's been neglected a little bit, but my buddy Mark bought this truck back. We're gonna go through it, we're gonna put a car hauler on it. But I don't know if you guys remember our rear engine industrial injection motor that we put in this thing. This was our first season of TV, so it was really kind of that point where we were developing a great relationship with industrial injection. And this motor is the best running thing on this thing. Like, it still fires up and runs good, it runs awesome. So there's gonna be a lot of process that's gonna be happening with this truck. This actually, to be honest with you, was one of my favorites. Everybody loved this cab over. It was the only one we did actually on Vegas Rat Rods. They're a lot of work usually to do if you want to try to put a 12 valve in them. That's why we shoved it in the back. I want you to be able to look through and see this motor, because this is such a beautiful part of the truck, is to have this badass Cummins diesel engine in here. So anyway, we're gonna go through this thing. We're gonna clean it up. It's been sitting in Texas in, I don't know what kind of moisture they got down there, but it's eating the valve covers up and it's kind of screwed up all the polished aluminum on it. But we're gonna go through, we're gonna just clean it up. We're gonna rebuild the bed for this and make it super badass. So stick around and watch what happens.